My name is Niall O'Tuchel, and I'm the Social Democrat candidate for Galway West. I come from a medical family. My grandfather was a doctor in Galway. My dad is a doctor in Galway. My mum is a public health nurse. My sister is a dentist. I've also worked in health. I've worked on major health reform in the NHS and around the world. And I'm very worried right now about the state of our rural health services. I'm worried about the state of the health service in Connemara. Ambulance times can be hours. Rural GP practices are having to close because they're not financially viable, and we need to change that. And not only should we change that because it's the right thing to do socially, but actually it's also the right thing to do economically. Every piece of evidence tells us that when we invest in primary care, it's the right thing to do socially, for your health, and for the taxpayer. So socially, when you're treated by a doctor that you know and trust, and you're being treated closer to home, it's better for you as a person. As a patient and for your health, it's better because the GP who knows you the best and knows you as a patient is going to prevent much more illness, and they won't need to send you to hospital whenever you don't need to be there. And finally, it's much better for the taxpayer. The evidence shows that for every euro that we invest in primary care, we get €6 back in savings. And so the question shouldn't be whether we should be investing in rural GP services, but why aren't we?